That is absolutely delicious. That is chimichurri sauce made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making chimichurri sauce the correct way. Easy to make, fantastic on steaks, fantastic on grilled chicken. Oh, it's a delicious sauce made with parsley. Not parsley and cilantro coriander. Cilantro coriander is a Mexican take on chimichurri sauce. Simple as that. It's made with parsley. Now it's made with flat parsley. Everyday flat leaf parsley. Okay, some countries can't get hold of flat leaf parsley. I know that because I'm one of the countries where curly leaf parsley is more prevalent. Okay, can you make chimichurri sauce with curly parsley? Yes, you can. It's a parsley. It tastes like parsley. If it's blended, you can't tell the difference. However, if you chop it all by hand, the leaves are different. It's as simple as that. That is all it is. The flavour is virtually identical. Virtually identical. Some say that the curly leaf parsley is a little bit stronger than the flat leaf, but by the time you've got red wine vinegar, garlic, oregano, chili, salt, pepper, lemon juice and your oil in there, come on. Okay, let's get on and make it. Okay, I've got one of these chopper things again today. Look, all these blades. I want texture in my chimichurri, so we're going to go in with half of curly parsley, flat leaf parsley, and we're going to give it a whiz up. Now, if some of it gets blended, so be it, but hopefully it's going to keep quite a lot of texture in there with those blades. Lovely jubbly. Take a bowl and chuck that in there. Oh, I love that smell of parsley. Fabulous. Right, this is going to be the start of the chopping, okay? We're going to blend it with some oil as well. Now, people use sunflower oil. However, olive oil has become the norm. Now, we're not talking traditional, and I'm not moaning about oils. If you want to use sunflower oil or rapeseed oil or any oil, it's up to you. Okay, we want to be using olive oil today to give it that luxurious, nutty undertone. Okay, mess everywhere as per usual. Right, we've got that lot in there. Now what we're going to do is use half those ingredients to blend in there. Take that out, put in a bowl, put the other half in there. That's the easiest way to do this because we're using this chopper thing. So in there with some of that parsley, about half of it. Lemon juice, we'll put half our lemon juice in there. We're going to put half our red wine in there, or red wine vinegar. I'm going to put half our garlic in there, half the pepper, the oregano. Now I do not have fresh oregano, I am using dried. If you have fresh, put fresh in. And then we want half of that olive oil in there. And we're going to give that a whiz. Whiz that up. That comes out of there, back into a bowl. Look at that. Fabulous. Some texture there. Carry on. So come on, you got it. Everything in there. Pepper, oregano, chili flakes, salt, that red wine vinegar, lemon juice, and the rest of our oil. Okay, that will do very nice. Back in our bowl. Okay, there's our sauce. And I'm just going to go in there with a little bit more olive oil. Just to keep that nice and moist in there. Okay, there you go. Chimichurri sauce made. As quick and as easy as that. Now, if you want to go the Mexican way, chuck in the cilantro or coriander. If you want to keep it more the traditional route, stick with the parsley. There you go. Chimichurri made. And obviously tailor it to how you want. If you want to put anything else in, just add away. You know, this is the base chimichurri that everybody knows. There you go. Storage. Well, it's got to go in the fridge to get all those flavours to meld together now. So it's going to go in the fridge for a couple of hours. And all those flavours will come together. What does it taste like? Fabulous. Flavour of all that parsley in there. Vinegary, salty, bit of pepper. Nice little bit kick from the chili flakes. Really bright zing of the freshness of the lemon in there. That is absolutely delicious. That is chimichurri sauce made. As easy as that. So storage, it goes in the fridge a couple of hours, all the flavours go together, stick it in a jar, it lasts in there up to 5 days, can be frozen. That is the point. So if you make a batch like this, freeze it in a batch, in portions, and you've enough to go over your steak or chicken or whatever else you want to use. There you go, chimichurri sauce made. So there we have it, chimichurri sauce made.